At the time of creating this video, the world has pretty much gone to hell. Economies are down, and jobs for too many people are too hard to come by. So people are searching for any type of way that they can get the job that they need or to keep the job that they already have. Well, the good news is, if you want to increase your career market value, then the best way to do that is for you to improve your public speaking abilities. Now, I know that may sound like an incredible exaggeration, but the fact is, top-level CEOs like billionaire Warren Buffett have said that public speaking is the key to success. And I think career advice from one of the most successful billionaires in the entire world is pretty valid. If we haven't had the pleasure of meeting before, my name is Beverly, and in 2019, I became the world champion of public speaking. But more importantly, I have gotten jobs, promotions, financial benefit, and travel opportunities, not because I'm more intelligent than other people, not because I'm more skilled than the average person, but because I learned how to communicate effectively. Public speaking is still considered one of the top fears of mankind, sometimes an even higher fear than the fear of death, which is something that I truly do not understand. But if you want to stand out, get a better job, appear more confident, enter desire here, then you're going to do yourself a favor by increasing your public speaking skills. But if you do, there is just one tiny little problem, and it's a tiny problem that I'm well familiar with. In 2009, I graduated from college, but that was at the height of the Great Recession. Jobs that I thought were going to be there were no longer there. Opportunities that I thought I was going to have were no longer there. My future was at stake, and I knew that public speaking was something that could help me. But the thing with the public speaking industry is that unless you are willing to spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars sometimes, you're not going to find quality public speaking education. So it took me years to build my public speaking skills, and thus it took me years to reap the benefits. Fast forward to now, and we are in a similar situation. Jobs are scarce, opportunities are low, and the one skill that can help the most people is being priced out of the range of those who need it most. Now sit there and ask yourself, does that make sense? Personally, I don't think so. What I want to do with this YouTube channel is change the business model of the public speaking education industry. I will do my best to provide you with free, quality public speaking tips, tutorials, resource suggestions, and more, and do so in a way that won't empty your bank account. Because I believe that effective communication can improve your career, improve your life, and improve the world. Something that important should not be hidden behind an expensive paywall. Quality public speaking education should be provided freely to those who need it most. So if you want to improve your public speaking skills and hopefully have a little bit of fun along the way, then click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and spread the message across the internet. My name is Beverly. I am the 2019 World Champion of Public Speaking, but more importantly, I will be your public speaking mentor.